Chinese, tofu, vegetables, sweet and sour sauce. When I say sauce, there's not a lot of sauce there. It's kind of just glazed it really nicely. Vegetarian, vegan, absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got my tofu. Now what I've done with my tofu, I've just discovered this, it's wonderful. I now cook it in my air fryer. So it just goes in my air fryer at 180 for 15 minutes with a little bit of oil. Before that, I was always frying it in oil. So yeah, much, much quicker, much nicer, I find. Now, if you're going to use tofu like this, you need to buy a firm, extra firm or hard. It comes in many, many forms, down to a kind of yogurty kind of liquid to something that is friable. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now, these are the vegetables that I'm adding. You can be adding any vegetables you want. I've got equal parts, about a cup, carrots, cauliflower, green beans and broccoli. Think about other things, you know, like zucchini, celery, bell peppers, you know, mushrooms, anything goes really, doesn't it? Whatever you want. Okay, let's get moving. I'm going to show you a couple other bits now. So here I've got half a cup of vinegar, white vinegar. There I've got some soy sauce. I'm using a light soy. There's about 2 tablespoons here. And there's about half a cup of ketchup. Now you can use tomato ketchup. And if you maybe try and get hold of this stuff, look. This banana ketchup can also work. It's really quite nice. I mean, give it a go if you want. Let's get to the cooker. Let's get moving. There's a couple other bits going to go in. But yeah, really simple. So you're going to be needing a wok, a skillet or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our ginger and garlic. I've just put the heat on, it's quite high. We're going to go with the 1 cup of onion. And let's start getting in some of the hard vegetables. So I'm going to go with my carrot. And you can see how I've cut these carrots, but you know, you can slice them up, do it however you want really. And I'm going to go with the green beans. So fairly high heat. 3 minutes, keep it moving. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Just 3 minutes there, giving them a head start. We're now going to go in with our broccoli and cauliflower. And like I say, any veg mix that you want will work, of course, won't it? This is just what I'm using. I'm going to add salt, but I'm only going to add a little bit, not too much at all, because we've got the soy going in there, which is fairly salty. Black pepper, nice big pinch, or to taste. And then 2 to 3 more minutes, again stir frying this around, keep it moving fairly often. So we're now going to add in our tofu. And like I say, I've just sort of discovered this method of doing it in the air fryer, which is, I really think is fabulous. Nice and chunky cut, as you can see. I mean, you can cut your tofu and cook it however you want. Again, 2 to 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Nearly there. Fabulous stuff. Here we go then. So we're going to go first of all with half a cup of water, half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of ketchup, a couple of tablespoons of soy. Now let's just work this in. Again, stay on this lively heat for a couple more minutes. Keep it moving now. Perfect. Off goes the heat. Job done. I'm going to go in with a nice handful of chopped green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, so many names. If you wanted some fresh chili, could have been put in there, but I'm going just like this, really simple, delicious. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go, beautiful. So sweet and sour, but not sort of swimming in a sauce, just sort of glazed on everything. Really is delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.